Hi, James Shurts here. I am the new Chief Operating Officer for TRIBINE Harvester, talking to you from Newton, Kansas. Here in Newton, we've got our primary facility where we make the new T1000, in addition to all the R&D, all the development activity, all the production under this one roof in Kansas. So, extremely excited to be part of the team. It is one of the most novel concepts to come to the industry really since early 19th century. It's going to be one of the most revolutionary things to happen to the harvesting industry with a new architecture, new concept that's going to meet all the critical elements that is not being addressed by the major OEMs today. And again, all done here in Newton, Kansas. So again, really excited about the opportunity that this presents to the farmers, myself being one, and the rest of the team. That's the cool part about TRIBINE. This is a group of farmers that have decided to go against the industry and do something different. It's going to be extremely challenging, team's up for it, but the most exciting thing is we're in that critical phase where we're actually migrating away from R&D into full production. It's not just a concept now. These units are for sale. We actually have first units placed. We've got orders coming in. Couldn't be any more exciting time to be part of the TRIBINE team. So the TRIBINE, the T1000 is not just a concept anymore. It's matured amazingly fast over the last 3 years to the point that it's a production-ready machine. We're actually taking orders. We're delivering to customers. It couldn't be any more exciting time for the product and the company. But the thing to remember is it's not just a new combine. It's a totally different concept that's built to address all the limitations that the current OEMs haven't been meeting. So if you look at the key problems today, you've got capital costs, things just keep getting more expensive, skilled labor shortage, compaction from multiple passes through the field. You've got higher yields that are pushing current design concepts to the limits, and it's all just resulting in decreased profits. And not to mention you've got this consolidation of the industry, the dealers becoming less and less and less and being consolidated into these mega and large dealers. That's declining the customer satisfaction piece to where the farmers are starting to revolt. The brand loyalty is not there. They're looking for other alternatives to meet not only their problems, but something that's going to meet their more tangible needs as a customer. So TRIBINE's come in and we've provided a solution that you can replace a combine, a tractor, and a grain cart with a single asset, the TRIBINE. I mean, you can that eliminates a complete operator from your business. You then, with a low PSI unit and the fewer passes that we have, is we've proven that you've got a 2 to 3% yield gain from the reduced compaction. Higher yields, everybody's pushing to this 300 bushel corn. The TRIBINE is the only unit that's capable of handling that. It's a true class 11 machine. So it's got the capacity. It's 1,000 bushel carrying. You can go more passes through the field and actually get through a half to a quarter mile run without stopping and waiting for the cart. And this all results in anywhere from a 5 to 10% profit on the farm. Plus, when it comes to these tangible investments, it's the first unit that's meeting a true buyer ROI. Average cart and tractor, that's $400,000. Call it $140,000 a year in payments. One operator, that's over $4,000 up to $6,000 a year. You add 2% to 3% yield back from less compaction, that's going to throw another $20K onto the pot. So you've got an annual savings of about $164,000 per year. So you take that, and how do you pay that back is, an average Deere. So take a Deere S790. It's going to retail for $500,000. That's pretty average right now. TRIBINE's coming in right now at $550,000. So you only got a $50,000 delta, but you're saving $164K. So you got an instant 1-year payback. I mean, you're delivering money back to the business that you don't with the current assets and the product. So it's ready. We're extremely excited with where we're at. We have units sold. We've got units in production that are, we will be tagging those to pending orders. You've got thousands of test hours and development hours on this unit, 30 global patents securing this thing. And for me personally, one of the really cool things is this is a Kansas product. It's a Kansas team for the most part. And all the activities right here in the breadbasket, in the home base of the industry. So, if you look at the industry where it's at, we're at the bottom in the combine market. It's only going to go up. So we're entering at the right time. The farmers and the buyers now, or as mentioned, are so brand agnostic that they're looking for better solutions, and this is meeting that niche. So it's an exciting time to be with the team. I couldn't be more pleased with my short time here so far, and couldn't be more excited with where the future is going to take us.